Today's topic is importance of vowels. Why we have to learn about vowels and the vowel sounds. First, I will share the sounds of short as well as long vowels. Vowels are presented by letters A, E, I, O, and U. But the sounds of these letters are letter A has a sound with the open mouth. Letter E has a sound with a stretched lips. Letter I has I sound. Letter O has O sound. Letter U has A. Sounds of long vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A is presented by different spelling patterns. For example, in this slide, A sound is presented by letters A and I. E sound is presented by letter E two times. I sound is presented by I and E. O sound is presented by O and A. And U sound is presented by U and E. Do you know different spellings for vowel sounds? In English language, there are different spelling patterns for all the vowel sounds. For example, the sound for the long vowel A is A. How A sound will be spelled? It can be spelled as in cake. If we see the spelling of cake, the letter A is saying its long sound because of the magic E at the end of the word. Learn more about magic E spelling rule and all other rules on the YouTube channel of Little Souls. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hey, in hey word, A is spelled by letter A and Y. Rain. In the rain, A sound is presented by letter A and I. So in English language, there are different spelling patterns for the vowel sounds. So it is necessary to learn the vowel sounds first, and then we have to go towards the different spelling patterns of these vowel sounds. Why it is so important to learn about the vowels? Do you know? When we have to put a or n before a word, how do we decide? We don't decide while looking at the letters. We have to decide on the basis of the sound produced by the first letter. So, get your rule right. What is a rule? Use n before a vowel sound, and this is not the rule. Use n before a vowel. I will explain it with example. If you see our and house, both of these words are started with letter H, but we put N with our and A with house. Why? Just observe the sound our, our. In our, this word is started with O with a vowel sound O. House. House is started with a consonant sound. So, if the word is started by a vowel sound, then we have to put n before a word. And if the word is started with a consonant sound, then we have to put a. Link for free worksheets are in description box. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Little Souls for quick learning.